If aloo pie and aloo roti had a love child, this would be it. Crispy golden dough filled with spiced mashed potatoes. One bite and you'll never look at aloo pie or aloo roti the same way again. This is a recipe I personally developed, and trust me, you won't find anything like this anywhere else. If you're ready to try something unforgettable, let's start cooking.
Let's start by peeling the potato. Next, we'll large dice the potato. Try to cut it evenly so it will boil evenly. Keep the potatoes immersed in water to prevent it from oxidizing or turning black. Place your pot over high heat.
Medium saucepan with water.
Add salt. While we'll peel the garlic, and this is still the most efficient method for me. Let me know below if you found an easy way to peel garlic.
Done.
We'll continue with the prep and chop up these ingredients.
4 garlic cloves should be sufficient. These are large. Hot pepper to taste. Pimento pepper, optional. It's Caribbean seasoning pepper. No heat or very, very mild heat. Very spicy. And that's all the prep for the seasoning. If you don't have cilantro, use cilantro or scallion. Next, potatoes in. Oops. Be gentle, do it carefully.
Salt, baking powder, sugar is optional. Next we'll add water and knead to form a soft dough. The link to the full recipe is in the description box below. Check it out.
Gradually add the water. Roll it around, squeeze the dough to bring the moisture to the forefront. Knead for a few minutes, bringing it to the center until it's smooth and still soft. You're not going to fold it over. You don't want to tighten the dough. You can add a tablespoon or 2 of butter at this point, or oil. Knuckle press to smoothen. You're almost done. Clean your hands and clean the bowl. Cover and let it rest until the potatoes are done boiling. Check on the potatoes and drain if it's tender. And it's tender when a fork pierces easily through it, breaks apart easily. Use your time efficiently, clean up, and mash the potatoes. You can use a fork or one of these. Ideally, do it in a separate bowl. This is a potato ricer, and I have the link on my Amazon store. Yummy! Seasoning ground. Next, we'll season with the seasoning. Add as much or as little as you like. Heat-wise as well. Salt to taste and cumin to taste. This is ground roasted cumin. Then mix well to combine and adjust, which means add more because you can't take it away. Next we'll work on the dough. Once this is fully mixed, And we'll be eating soon. Don't forget to check on the sardine. Whoops. Lost a good chunk there. Use your hands if you're not sensitive to pepper. We'll really get everything mixed in.
Next, divide the dough into 8 or 12 equal pieces. I'm making 8 today because I want to finish quickly. Form into balls, or what we refer to as loaves or lawyers. Do that by pulling the dough to the top, pinch, to seal and rotate. This will ensure that it puffs up during cooking. Cover while we do the same to the potato filling. If we made 8 lawyers or balls, we will make 8 potato balls. Just scoop some up, press, and rotate between the palm of your hands, or roll it around between the palm of your hands to create a ball. Now that you've created balls, let's start filling the dough. Next, place your frying pan over a high heat. Add your oil. Use vegetable corn oil or any type of oil you feel comfortable with for frying.
Keep it on medium-low depending on how fast you think you're going to work. If you work quickly, medium. If you work very slowly, take it off. Going to dust the counter. Add a piece of dough or add a loya on. Then place the potato in. You can always pull this out. Place it in. And then you pull up, pinch and rotate to seal. You're pulling it up. You want to make sure you seal that properly in there. Take your time. Do it right to avoid spillage. Then you press it out. Push it towards the ends. Just like you would do with aloo roti. Add a quickly flour and you could set it aside for a second or two, minute or two. What is this? If it's breaking, just pinch or add flour. It's too early to break. Patch it up. I'm going to cook this one time because it's so thin. Roll it out. Not as big as a roti. It's going to be fairly large. You can make it smaller if you wish. You can keep it like this. And if you don't like frying, you can put it on the tawa and cook it like this to make an aloo roti. And get your lined platter ready. Now gently place it in the hot oil. And fry. And pour the oil over. Heat is on medium. It will puff up and then flip. Cook until it's nice and brown. Drain it on the sides and place it on your lined plate. Fully cooked and delicious. While it's hot, it's going to be very crisp on the outside and delicious. So tasty. I don't want to break it up yet. I think I'm going to tear this one for you. Crisp. Oh, so delicious. Amazing. Like a roti aloo pie. Aloo pie roti. So good. If you're one of those people who don't like the thick doughiness of an aloo pie, this is perfect for you. If you like crunchy, this is for you. So amazing.
Thanks so much for spending time with me in the kitchen today. I hope you give this aloo puri a try. It's simple, satisfying and bursting with flavor. Whether you serve it with curried sardines, salmon and tomatoes, or enjoy it plain with chutney or kuchela, I know it will hit the spot. This isn't just a recipe, it's comfort food with a twist that your whole family will love. If you enjoyed this video or learned something new, please like, drop a comment, share it with someone who'd love it, and don't forget to subscribe for more Trinity-inspired recipes. Until we meet again, stay safe, be well, and always cook, share, and love. Bye-bye.